I hope you didn't get me digging my butt.
Got that on video, your voice though.
Oh. Press that?
But we flooding a little bit. Yeah, he's got long boots on. Well, her mom's got me another pair, but someone you got me.
Pretty?
We say pretty. How do we say pretty, Holly?
Look at this.
I think I'll get one
Press
of
the
the
bottom of
buttons
it.
clip back
Press
on
the
it.
bottom.
She got winners, Arctic. $127 on them. They're freaking warm now.
Holly, we say pretty? How do we say pretty? Yeah, pretty.
It was worth the extra 30-40 bucks. Yep, it was.
Hi, baby. You gonna give that to Daddy? Give it to Daddy. Careful with it.
Easy. Thank you. Yeah, horsey. What's the horsey say? That's not Cody. That's a horsey. Cody's a kitty. Kitty, yeah. Cody.
How do we say kitty? Kitty.
Yeah.
It's this way.
Did you press
Kitty.
the bottom of it?
Kitty.
Okay, good. How do we say puppies? Puppies. You look at Mommy and do it. How do we say puppy? Puppy. How do we say kitty? Kitty. Kitty. You rub your arm. Say ho ho ho. Really? Can you say love you? Love you, Mommy.
Anybody want some barbecue?
Can you say, hey Holly, can you say love you, Daddy? Do you hear? Love you, Daddy. Who is that? Mickey.
Loves Mickey Mouse.
Loves Mickey. Loves him. Donald.
She'll give it back.
Can you give it back to Emily? Give it back to Emily. Good girl. Good girl. Donald, yeah.